What's up everyone, it's MC Rips. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be ripping a 2025 Top Series 1 display box. So in this box we are going to get 20 packs, 14 cards per pack, and we're going to be looking for those retail exclusive holo base cards. Let's do this. Alright, so I got this display box from Fanatics. I paid $70 for it. I actually bought two, and we're going to be doing two separate videos opening these display boxes, sometimes called retail boxes. These are sometimes referred to as like retail packs, and you normally see them like this at store counters, and you just kind of grab however many you want. And these are the cheapest format, cheapest dollar per pack format. So they come out to about $3 or just over $3 per pack, which per pack is cheaper than any other format. And I decided to give this a try because according to Stryker Breaks, if you don't know Stryker Breaks, he's a YouTuber, and he does a value sheet for every baseball card release. And according to his value sheet, there might be some good value out of these packs. Now, normally I stay away from these, but I saw in Stryker's value sheet that there might be something to chase in these packs. So there's only one way to find out, and that is to rip them ourselves. And that's what we are going to do today. All right, here we go. Brian Wu, Nick Sogard, Will Benson, Anthony Volpe, Pete Crow Armstrong, Dub and Drench, Spencer Steer, Schwarber, Cade Povich, and we have our first numbered card back here. Pack number 1, it's going to be a League Leaders card numbered to 150. That might be a blue. Yeah, blue holofoil. It's got Ohtani right there on the front, which is shocking that there's a League Leaders card without Ohtani in the number 1 spot. So that's a good start. That's a really good start. Pack number 1 right off the top there. Let's get that up here. And finish off that pack. Call to the Hall, Mike Schmidt, a Fernando Tatis, Stars of MLB. I'll put that one over here. And Alcantara and Josh Young. Okay. Moving on to the next pack. So you also see these are sometimes referred to as like hanger packs as well. They'll be hanging up on, from those hangers in the stores. And we got a security tag on the back of that one. Garcia, Arenado, Trey Sweeney, Corey Lee, Zach DeCenzo, Seth Brown, Nick Gordon, Ian Happ, Brandon Nimmo for my Mets, a backwards Colton Cowser, and a backwards something else. What do we got? Okay, we got a Ranger Suarez, rainbow foil, and a Colton Cowser cup on the holo. Behind that, Matt Chapman, Stars of MLB, and Hoop Dreams, Masataka Yoshida, and that security tag. Okay, let's move on to our next pack. So far, so good. I mean, as far as chasing parallels, numbered parallel in our first pack, 2 parallels in our second pack. We got Harper and Colton Cowser, Alcala, Brandon Marsh, Angel Martinez, John Gray, the Orioles, Dansby Swanson, Kyle Harrison. So not going to get anything in that pack, just the Jordan, Stars of MLB, and Chicago Cubs, team card, and Perdomo. I will say one thing, that I really enjoy the experience of the ripping of the packs. I don't know what it is about ripping the packs. I'm sure you all feel the same way. It's just so much fun to be ripping packs. Now I know that's upside down. That's weird. So I know that hanger boxes, for example, are usually, you know, one of the best formats, especially from retail. Matt Chapman on the Cactus League. But it's only one pack, you know? It's only one big pack inside that hanger box. And it's great to have some big pulls from those hanger boxes, but it just doesn't feel the same as, you know, going through a box here of, what, 20 packs? It's just fun. I think it's more fun that way. Okay, we got a Nacho Arraez on the Braves card, Luis Robert Jr. and Teoscar Hernandez and Ahmed Rosario. Okay, let's move on to our next pack. So we started off warm, I would say. Maybe not hot, but warm. And it kind of feels like we cooled off there a little bit. Let's see what we get in this pack. Ben Rice. And we got Elly De La Cruz on the Stars of MLB. That's nice. Say Cheese and Ryan O'Hearn. I hope this doesn't end up becoming a complete bust. That would be too bad if that was the case. But I do feel like we are going to hit something big. Again, I paid $70 for these display boxes. We got a rainbow foil, Corey Lee, Carlos Correa, Stars of MLB, Joe Adele, and security tag. So I paid $70 for these, for this box, which is somewhere between a mega box, which wasn't great. I opened 2 mega boxes and they were horrific. And I think others are having the same experience with those mega boxes. So somewhere between the value or the price, I would say, there's Dylan Cruz on a base. Somewhere between a mega box and a hobby box is where these are sitting in terms of cost. So keep that in mind as we're going through it, right? Does it feel better than a mega box? Shota Imanaga, but maybe not quite as good as a hobby box. Or maybe it ends up being better than a hobby box. You do get a guaranteed auto. Auto or relic, I think, in the hobby boxes. So we'll see if we hit an auto in this box. I'd be okay. There's a Paul Skeens. Greatest hits, Vladimir Guerrero Jr. on the Stars of MLB, Cole Reagans, and Miles Mikolas. I'd be okay without. I'm not expecting an autograph, but I would like to see a numbered card or lower than 150, maybe under 100, or some sort of a short print, like, I don't know, maybe a golden mirror. I doubt it, but maybe something else that's kind of short printed. Paul Skeens Cup card and Kobe Mayo on Stars of MLB. One of the better rookies in the checklist this release. Another security tag. Wonder why they have so many security tags in here. I guess because they, you would normally open this box and hang these packs on the hangers in the store. And it's Jazz Chisholm on the 1990, Mookie Betts on Stars of MLB, Orelvis Martinez and Colt Keith on the Cup. Well, that's weird. We got off to a really hot start, it felt like. The blue holo numbered to 150. the rainbow and the holo in the same pack. And now we've kind of slowed down. But again, at $70 a box, it kind of only takes one. So we got an Adam Mazur holo, rookie pitcher. Corey Seager, Stars of MLB. And Drew Romo. I didn't even realize he was in this checklist. That might be the first of his base cards that I pulled. Shea Langoliers. Maybe not. I've opened a lot of this stuff. I've opened a lot. And I don't see any reason to stop. I might want to go in on hanger boxes again. Let me know what you think in the comments. Should I open some more hanger boxes? Francisco Lindor for the Mets. Matt Chapman and Carlos Narvaez. And another security tag. Well, this turned cold really fast. It's kind of unfortunate, but I'm hoping maybe there's Mason Wynn on the cup. Hoping they're saving something for the end here. Schwellenbach on the 1990. James Wood on the Stars of MLB. Tanner Scott and Christopher Marcell. So we have probably, I can't tell, maybe 6 packs left. 6 packs maybe. It really feels like we're gonna need to get something big here. Dylan Cease, Chris Taylor, greatest hits. Bryce Harper, Bobby Witt Jr. on the Stars of MLB, and Luis Robert and Luis Hill. Back-to-back Luis. Christopher Sanchez, Brian De La Cruz, Paul Blackburn, Tyler Phillips, Jared Kelenic, Joey Ortiz, Rafael Devers, Tigers team card, Abraham Toro, and another security tag. Okay, where did all the cards go? Where did all the cards go? Yankees team card. Paul Blackburn again. I think that was the same collation in that last pack. Mike Trout. Ronald Acuna Jr. Stars of MLB. Brooks Lee. Well, I'm interested to see when we open the second one where the hits are in the box. Because we had that first pack, those first 2 packs on the top were the best, have been the best packs in this box. So maybe when you go to the card store, ask them to open a fresh, fresh box and take those top 2 packs. Okay, we got Jose Ramirez on the All Tops team. Trying to put together that insert set, but unfortunately, I think I already have that. Jose Ramirez card, Brooks Lee, Xavier Edwards, and Jonah Heim. Or, okay, 2 packs left. We're down to the bottom of the box. We got 2 packs left. Could be like the, I think it was the jumbo box, is where they saved. I don't know if they must do it on purpose, but they saved it for the very last pack in the box. Ohtani. Bobby Witt, Jace Young, Jackie Robinson. That one's cool. Juan Soto. Anthony Rizzo and Yamamoto Future Stars. All right, well, let's see if we saved the best for last. I sure hope so. Schwellenbach, Riley Green, Seth Brown, Reds team card. Oh boy. Oh boy. Man, yikes. Okay, well, that was not good. That was not what I was expecting at all. Yikes. Well, it looks like this is all we're gonna get from this box. I don't know what that's worth, but I can't imagine it's worth more than $5. $5 maybe. That is going to be the hit of our rip. Sorry, it wasn't the greatest. I was hoping for something a little better than that, but it is what it is. Sometimes, again, you gotta rip it for yourself to see what it's like. And unfortunately, this box was not the greatest. But if you liked the video, please hit that like button. And if you don't want to miss the next display box that I open, make sure you're subscribed. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.